Stahls is continuing to expand the color range in your favorite heat transfer vinyl, CAD-CUT UltraWeed. And we've just added 2 new colors known as rose gold and burgundy. These 2 colors are great for adding heat transfer vinyl designs to your favorite graphic tees using just a heat press. For this application, we're going to be using the 16x20 Hotronix Auto Clam. And for our garment, we're doing a fashion tank from Bella Canvas that is a polyviscose blend. Before we apply our application, we're going to do a quick preheat. That's going to help us test our pressure and release any moisture or wrinkles in our garment. For our 2-color application, I'm first going to place our rose gold UltraWeed and tack that for 2 to 3 seconds. That 2 to 3 second tack allows us to get a nice quick application whenever we're working with multiple colors in a heat transfer vinyl design. And it's long enough of a dwell time for that adhesive to start curing to the garment. And we're going to repeat that same step with the burgundy UltraWeed as well. The reason we tack the last color of our design is so that we don't leave any indentations of the first layer of heat transfer vinyl from our carrier. And to make sure that we have both colors cured onto the garment, we're going to hit it for a last step for the recommended applications. UltraWeed applies at 260 degrees for 10 to 12 seconds using a medium pressure. And this heat transfer vinyl is perfect for applying fashion tees and tanks, especially when it's a polyvisco blend such as this, because we're at a perfect temperature to not scorch the garment or bruise it in any way, and it has a very soft, lightweight hand to it, perfect for fashion tees and tanks. To get started with these 2 new great colors added to CAD-CUT UltraWeed, visit Stahls.com.
Hey everybody, it's Josh Ellsworth from Stahls. Did you like the products that you saw used in this video? That's our best-selling CAD-CUT UltraWeed material, and I love these new colors, rose gold and burgundy. Guess what? We have a special deal for you if you're watching this video before December 10th, 2020. You can use the promo code NEWULTRA to save 10% on these products, as well as the 4 neons that we just introduced. That's neon pink, neon green, neon yellow, and neon orange. Look down in the description for all the details and to grab the promo code and the link over to Stahls.com. Thanks for watching.